Are there problems that can arise if I bill their health insurance? The answer to that question is yes. And what I'm about to talk about applies at this point in time to two primary health insurance providers in Oregon, Providence and Moda. Both of those health insurance companies have what's called futures penalty clause payments. What that simply means is if health insurance pays for medical care related to a motor vehicle collision, when the health insurance company is reimbursed for the bills that they paid out, the health insurance company will not have to pay for future medical treatment related to those body parts that were injured in the collision. So let's say your patient has a neck injury and their PIP is exhausted. You go ahead and bill health insurance for the treatment you provide. That is perfectly fine. Nothing wrong with that at all. It's just important to keep in the back of your mind that that can create a potential problem down the line if they need additional care after the health insurance company is reimbursed. So before you bill health insurance, if your patient was injured in a motor vehicle collision and PIP is exhausted, I would strongly recommend that you talk to their attorney or talk to a personal injury attorney who can help you assess or help your patient assess what, if any, are the risks that they would be taking if their medical treatment was billed to their health insurance company.